Hi, I'm Elizabeth Kraft. I'm here with airliners.net. We're at the Marine Corps Air Station Miramar for the 2008 Air Show. We're going to have some great interviews and great things to show you this weekend. It's going to be really exciting. We've got the F-22, the F-16, the Blue Angels behind me. It's going to be a jam-packed weekend. I want to thank Paulo Emanuel and the entire airliners.net crew around the world for this opportunity. I'll be seeing you for the next 3 days. It's going to be exciting.
What you see here is a live shot from the Army Golden Knights Special Forces team called the Golden Knights, and they're about to jump out of their plane live on television.
That was the first free fall I've ever done, and I'd say I never thought it'd get better than flying a Raptor, but I think it's finally been topped.
So you might switch over to the Army?
Well, I don't know about that. But I'll give him a big Army strong.
Yeah, he did a wonderful job. Like I told him in the aircraft, we might not be as fast as the F-22, but we're going to look as cool. And he did a wonderful job, and it was a great opportunity, a little joint force chop. So, hey,
I just want to know, did he scream?
Like a girl.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm proud of it. Well, we're talking to airliners.net audience, and that's probably the coolest thing I've ever done.
Awesome.